Assalamu alaikum students. Today's our topic is operational laws on sets. Here first of all we will verify commutative and associative laws with respect to union and intersection. Commutative laws with respect to union and intersection, let A and B be any two sets. Then commutative law with respect to union is A union B is equals to B union A, and commutative law with respect to intersection is A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Example, if A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to 1 3 5, then verify commutative laws with respect to union and intersection. By this example we will verify the commutative law of union and intersection. Solution. Commutative law with respect to union, we have to show that A union B is equals to B union A. Left hand side equals to A union B. Set A 1 2 3 union 1 3 5. The union of A and B is 1 2 3 5. Right hand side is equals to B union A is equals to 1 3 5 union 1 2 3. The union of these two sets is 1 2 3 5. You can see that left hand side equals to right hand side 1 2 3 5 and 1 2 3 5. Therefore A union B is equals to B union A, hence verified. Number 2, commutative law with respect to intersection. We have to show that A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Left hand side equals to A intersection B is equals to 1 2 3 intersection 1 3 5. The intersection of these two sets is 1 and 3. Right hand side equals to B intersection A 1 3 5 intersection 1 2 3. The intersection of these two sets is 1 and 3. Left hand side equals to right hand side. A intersection B is equals to B intersection A, hence verified. Associative laws with respect to union and intersection. Let A, B and C be any three sets. Then associative law with respect to union is A union B union C within a bracket equals to A union B within a bracket union C, and associative law with respect to intersection is A intersection B intersection C within a bracket is equals to A intersection B within a bracket intersection C. Example, if A is equals to 1 2 3, B is equals to 2 3 4 and C is equals to 3 4 5, then by this example we have to verify these two associative laws of intersection and union. Solution. Associative law of intersection. Left hand side equals to A intersection B intersection C. First of all we will find the intersection of B and C. 2 3 4 and 3 4 5. The intersection of 2 3 4 and 3 4 5 is 3 4 5. We will find the intersection between A and B intersection C. 2 3 and 3 4 5, that is equals to 3. Right hand side equals to A intersection B intersection C. In this side, first of all we will find the A intersection B 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. The intersection of A and B is 1 2 3. We will find the intersection between these two 1 2 3 and 3 4 5, that is equals to 3. We can see that left hand side equals to right hand side here. Therefore associative law is verified. Solution of associative law with respect to union. Left hand side equals to A union B union C. First of all we will find the union of B and C. 2, 3, 4 union 3, 4, 5. The union of B and C is 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will find the union of 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand side, A union B union C. Here we will find the union of A and B. First, 1, 2, 3 union 2, 3, 4. The union of these two sides is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C 3, 4, 5. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here left hand side equals to right hand side. You can see that left hand side is equals to right hand sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore the associative law with respect to union is verified. Verification of distributive laws. Let A, B and C be any three sets, then distributive law of union over intersection is A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C, and distributive law of intersection over union is A intersection B union C within a bracket equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, B is equals to 2, 4, 6 and C is equals to 2, 3, 6, then we have to verify the distributive laws of union over intersection and intersection over union. Solution of distributive law of union over intersection. Left hand side equals to A union B intersection C. Here first of all we will find the intersection between B and C. 2, 4, 6 intersection 2, 3, 6 will be 2, 6. Then we will find the union of 1, 2, 3 and 2, 6. That will be 1, 2, 3, 6. For right hand side, first of all we will find A union B and A union C. After that we will find the intersection of these two. 1, 2, 3 union 2, 4, 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 1, 2, 3 union 2, 3, 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 6. The intersection of these two answers is 1, 2, 3, 6. Therefore we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence distributive law of union over intersection is verified. Solution of distributive law of intersection over union. Left hand side equals to A intersection B union C. First of all we will find the union between B and C. 2, 4, 6 union 2, 3, 6 will be 2, 3, 4, 6. After that we will find the intersection between 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4, 6. That will be 2, 3. Right hand side. Here first of all we will find the intersection between A and B and A and C. 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 6. The intersection of A and B will be 2 and A and C will be 2, 3. Then we will find the union between these two answers, that will be 2, 3. We can see that left hand side equals to right hand side here. Therefore the distributive law of intersection over union is verified. Now state and verify the De Morgan's law. Let A and B be sets of a universal set U. Then De Morgan laws are A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement, and A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Example, if U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equals to 1, 3, 5 and B is equals to 2, 4, 6, we have to verify the De Morgan laws by this example. Solution. First of all, we will verify first law, A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. Left hand side, A intersection B whole complement. Here A intersection B is equals to 135 intersection 246 equals to null set. Then we will find the complement of this intersection. A intersection B whole complement equals to U minus A intersection B, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our left hand side. For right hand side, A complement union B complement. First we will find A complement, then B complement. After that we will take union of these two complements. A complement equals to U difference A, that will be equals to 2, 4, 6, and B complement means the difference of B from U, that will be 1, 3, 5. After that we will take the union of these two complements, 2, 4, 6 union 1, 3, 5, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our right hand side. You can see that left hand side equals to right hand sides, hence this De Morgan's law is verified. Second De Morgan law is A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Here left hand side equals to A union B whole complement. First of all we will find A union B. 1, 3, 5 union 2, 4, 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B whole complement equals to U difference A union B will be empty set. Right hand side, A complement intersection B complement. First of all we will find the complement of these two sets. A complement equals to U difference A, that will be 2, 4, 6, and B complement means U difference B, that will be 1, 3, 5. After that we will find the intersection of these two complements, that will be 2, 4, 6 intersection 1, 3, 5 equals to null set. This is our right hand side. Here we can see that A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. De Morgan's second law is verified here. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.